Okay guys, so we got a weird find here. We got this old clock that I found on the side of the road. It's I think it's a Steph Thomas branded, and it has some problems with it, but I'm planning on trying to fix it soon. So this was all broken off. I put wood glue on here just for now, till we get a new front cover for this thing. Ah, it just fell off again. It didn't really work out well, but yeah, I found this on the side of the road in front of my house, which is very odd in my opinion, but nevertheless, whatever. But I looked up this dude on the internet. I'm not gonna say his name, but he worked at American Motors AMC from 1950 to 1980. The chime still works. Sometimes. There. It was just messed up. But then the second chime doesn't work. So it's supposed to sound like... See, it has all the manuals inside of it. Gonna read a little bit out of this. Limited warranty. A little bit of things. There's no names spelled on there. Haven't looked through all the documents yet. I'll read this, see if I can let that will help it make work. Maybe it was never like turned on. But yeah, and then there's the key inside the hole. I'm surprised it had everything inside of it. Usually if you find stuff like this, I've never encountered anything that weird like this. Oopsies, but yeah. So I gotta get a new front cover for it, obviously, and then I have to figure out how to fix this issue. It doesn't work because this does not stop winding. So I'll have to figure that out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Maybe I'll make a video fixing it. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.